Good morning, everyone. I'm Nadine, and I'm here to give you today's trading notes. For the U.S. markets, U.S. markets surge on possible stimulus. Dow Jones rallied the most since July after President Trump signaled he is open to sign several fiscal measures. Trump urged the Congress to approve airline payroll support, $1,200 individual stimulus checks, and $135 billion for the Paycheck Protection Program for small businesses. In our local markets, the PSEI failed to break past the 6,000 mark yesterday as net foreign selling continues to persist in the local bourse. The local market is on its 12th consecutive month of net foreign outflow, while year-to-date net foreign selling has totaled to 104 billion pesos as of yesterday. The Philippines continues to struggle to contain COVID-19 while reopening of the economy is slower than initially expected. Signs of light, however, are economic indicators that start to gradually improve, with manufacturing figures slowly recovering back to normalcy. The government is slowly restarting tourism with the opening of Boracay with conditions. The northern part of the country, Baguio, Benguet, meanwhile, is welcoming tourists to select areas. BSP Governor Jokno's recent statement says that the economy may have likely contracted anywhere between 7% and 9% this year, but a stronger recovery is seen in 2021. Despite the gradual improvements, foreign investors still shy away from the Philippine markets as other countries in Asia are performing fairly better to address the crisis. In other news, Congress is working again on a very tight schedule for the 2021 budget. Our view? Senate President Soto says while the Senate can continue budget hearings during the break, plenary discussions might be delayed by 1 month if the House insists on submitting the budget on November. Soto is looking at the possibility that the government will operate under a reenacted budget in 2 weeks to a month. This poses another risk to the market amid hopes of a stronger recovery for 2021. Note that the government also was operating on another reenacted budget in 2020 after it failed to submit the budget on time. The local market is going on the 18th consecutive day of net foreign selling and 12 consecutive months of net selling on a monthly basis. Year-to-date net selling is already over 100 billion and is the worst performing market in the region this year. Meanwhile, government looks to revive the mining industry. Our view? Department of Finance Secretary Dominguez said the government is looking to push for the revival of the industry as it boosts to revive the economy. According to Dominguez, this would help create jobs in areas where there are no alternative jobs, specifically in rural areas. The government looks to privatize select mining assets whose valuations have yet to be determined. They are looking at the areas of Nonok Mines, Surigao, Basay, Negros Oriental, and all the other mines that are held by the government. That wraps up today's market outlook. Join us again tomorrow for your daily trading notes. Stay safe!